How's it going, rednecks? Here with Disaster Transport, and I'm getting ready to take it to Silver Lake for the second time this year. So before we do anything, we got to rip all the doors off and get it loaded on the trailer. Rednecks, we're here at the dunes and we got the truck all unloaded. I'm sitting at 12 psi in the front and 8 in the rear. I have a feeling I'm going to go a little bit lower in the rear, but we'll wait till we're out the dunes. I'm going to set you guys up on the GoPro and we will hopefully get some good footage. Well, rednecks, I know I don't have a whole lot of footage up to this point, but the alternator just went out and it looks like we're going to have to replace it. So I guess the second trip is not worry-free, not this far at least. So we're going to get this alternator off. We've already hit it with a hammer, tried doing the old mechanic fix, and it didn't take care of it. So we're going to get it removed. We're going to take my dad's truck into town, get another one, and get it installed. I know I've got some like 80s Blazer alternator. Like, see if I can get my elbow on the fender a few more times. It feels good. It's really warm. What's that? The core support. We got a big one. Caught ourselves an alternator. Yeah. Well, here we go, Rednecks. We're back at Oceana Auto Used Parts or whatever, and pulling an alternator out of a vehicle. We were here last trip pulling a drive shaft out of a Suburban back that way, so no parts stores had alternators for a GM around here. So I guess here we are, and before we know it, we'll have that sucker back in disaster transport, and we'll be out in the dunes. There it goes. Nice. There you go, give her a tap in, there it goes, yep. Well, there we go, Rednecks. We got the alternator, we're out in the lot, and we're installing it. By we, I mean my passenger. He's been getting down and dirty. I tell you what, it's kind of a nice change for things. I'm not here working. Look at him, free labor right there, guys. Well, there we go, rednecks. That was the last few runs of the day. I don't know how much footage I got. It probably all looks about the same, but we hit dang near every ramp we found today on that last run, and it was a blast. Disaster Transport did what it was built to do, minus the alternator. So, but man, what a good time. What do you think, Scott? Did you enjoy yourself?
It was a good deal.
That was a good run.
That was a good thing.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up, head home, get something to eat, and call it a day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work.